Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Mi Smart Speaker, and today I'll show you how you can change the room of your speaker in Google App. So at the first you have to go for the Home application, choose your Mi Smart Speaker, then tap on the settings icon and move to device information. Right now click on placement, and as you can see here we can easily change our room. We can also create new one. We can also customize room, but I'm going to link it to the dining room. Then click Save. Let's click to remove the currently room, and as you can see right here we are in dining room, and if you want to switch we can also make it by choosing the second option. Click Save, and here it is. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.